Welcome to UGC Net and GATE Computer Science students. Here I'll be discussing another important concept in TOC as conversion of regular expression to epsilon NFA. Okay, so actually we need to have three kind of approach or three steps to convert regular expression to epsilon NFA by means of what is so R operation, what is a concatenation operation, what is a clean star operation. Okay, so suppose we are regular expression as a plus b, what you want to do? Okay, so for that how many states there? So it is very simple. First you take a, for that you draw one initial state and end state q0 to q1 accepting a, like that. Parallelly you write another diagram approach q2 to q3 accepting b. Now what is the meaning is this regular expression has to have the diagram in such a way that either it has to accept a and goes to final state, or accepting b and goes to final state. That is the idea. So we drawn A transition, B transition. For that you want to introduce one new start state and a new end state. Okay, and from new start state you want to have epsilon transition towards A or epsilon transition towards B transition. Okay, so now what happens is from the start state, by accepting A it goes to here, and by accepting B it goes to here, final state. So that is the idea. So represent epsilon here, like that. From A end state I want to draw new end state here and have the transition as epsilon, like that. If suppose it accepted B and it goes to q5 by accepting epsilon, which means this A or B means it will be make a transition only accepting A or accepting B, no other choice. Okay, so that way this is the diagram. Suppose we have A dot B. Okay, so what is the approach? Okay, so for that you want to draw like again sequence manner. From q0 accepting A it goes to q1, we want to draw like this, and like that for B also we want to draw q2 to q3 accepting B. Okay, sequentially. Okay, so there is a difference between A dot B and B dot A. Okay, if A dot B, in the sense A will be accepted followed by B. Okay, that is the main. So now A accepted for the entire new diagram for A dot B. Okay, whatever the symbol we want to accept, that's initial state is become overall initial state. Then whatever final input symbol there, that final state become overall final state. Okay, so now what you want to do for this dot is you want to represent one epsilon transition in sequence, which means A followed by epsilon transition followed by B, then reaching final state. Okay, now if you are going for third case, A plus B is whole star. Okay, which means A or B going to occur 0 or more time. That is the meaning. Which means I represent a language here. Okay, even epsilon should be transited with help of such a diagram. Okay, or one A alone happen, which means after A it may go to end state, or after B it goes to end state, or AB followed by, which means A first occur, then again coming back, and B occur, and B goes to us final state. Like that we can have any number of A followed by any number of B, or any number of B followed by any number of A. Okay, anything happen. So for that how to draw the diagram? Very simple. For A you draw one two state, and for B you draw two state, and then A plus B for that one initial state, one final state. This already know in first diagram. Then you want to introduce one more new start state, one more new end state. And why we need this is A plus B whole star the star in the sense epsilon has to accepted. So now without going to valid A or B, I can go through epsilon and reach the finite state. That is the idea. Okay. So now this way we want to do, and suppose it going with A or B, it has to again accept A or B. So for that you want to draw one more transition here. Okay, that is epsilon. Okay, so this is the right diagram for A plus B whole star. Okay, thank you for watching.